Ever feel like your vacation rental runs you instead of the other way around? Let's flip the script. I'll show you how a simple daily vacation rental routine can delight guests and protect your sanity. Before we jump in, make sure you hit that subscription button. And if there's a bell nearby, give it a ring so you don't miss future episodes. Okay, confession time. Who else sometimes feels like running a vacation rental is one step away from juggling flaming swords? Blindfolded. Daily operations can feel overwhelming, but here's the good news. Smooth, efficient routines aren't just for hotel chains with armies of staff. Solo vacation rental owners or those with a small team can create a rhythm that delights guests and keeps stress in check. And trust me, your sanity and your reviews will thank you. So grab a coffee or something stronger, I'm not judging, and let's uncover the secret sauce to daily routines that impress guests and let you breathe. Checklists are your new BFF. Let's start with the holy grail of vacation rental operations. Checklists. Why? Because the human brain is a beautiful creative organ, but it's terrible at remembering whether you replace the toilet paper in the guest bathroom. Use daily checklists for pre-arrival prep, cleaning tasks for each room, post-checkout resets, inventory checks, linens, toiletries, coffee pods. And no one wants an angry guest deprived of caffeine. One owner I know prints out laminated checklists and sticks them on a clipboard in each cleaning closet. Old school? Maybe. Effective? Absolutely. Checklists free up mental bandwidth. Instead of worrying, did I restock the hand soap? You just tick the box and move on. A thorough cleaning and turnover checklist can reduce turnovers by 30% in time while maintaining 5-star cleanliness ratings. That's not a small win. It's your Sunday afternoon back. Automate guest communication, but keep it personal. Imagine it's 11 p.m. and your phone buzzes. Your guest wants Wi-Fi details. Automation saves your sleep and your sanity. Set up scheduled messages for booking confirmations, pre-arrival details like lock codes, parking instructions, local tips, checkout reminders, thank you notes, and review requests. But don't let automation sound robotic. Personalize templates with guest names and references to their plans. For example, hey Sarah, can't wait to welcome you tomorrow. You'll love the hiking trails nearby. Let me know if you'd like my favorite breakfast spots. A well-structured routine for guest messaging means fewer frantic last-minute texts. And happy guests leave glowing reviews. Schedule daily quick checks. Now let's be real. Stuff breaks. A door sticks. A faucet drips. A smart lock acts like it's haunted. Include a daily quick check in your routine. Check lights and appliances. Walk exterior pathways for hazards. Peek into closets for missing hangers. Confirm that tech, Wi-Fi, TV remotes, keypads work. These 10-minute checks can save you emergency calls later. One host I know told me that they caught a water heater leak during a quick check. They fixed it before the guest even noticed and saved thousands in damage. Inventory systems keep you sane. Ever stood in the middle of your rental muttering, where did all the teaspoons go? Track your supplies, linens and towels, toiletries, kitchen basics, coffee and tea supplies. Apps like Host Tools and Breezeway help monitor inventory and set reminders for reorders. Or go simple. Color-coded bins in the storage closet. Blue for linen, red for cleaning supplies. Because when a guest texts that they need extra pillows at 10 p.m., you shouldn't have to tear apart your garage to find one. Build a cleaning routine that's predictable. A reliable cleaning routine is the bedrock of guest satisfaction. Schedule daily tidying for longer stays, plus deep clean between guests. And yes, check under the beds. You'll be shocked at what guests leave behind. Keep supplies organized and stocked off-site so your cleaners, or you, don't have to waste time hauling gear back and forth. Consistency in cleaning routines increases guest trust and can directly boost occupancy rates. Plus, nothing kills a glowing review faster than a sticky floor. Set office hours for yourself. Boundaries matter. Decide on when you handle guest inquiries, maintenance calls, and admin tasks. Outside those hours, unless it's an emergency, it can wait. Otherwise, vacation rental ownership turns into a 24/7 job. And I don't know about you, but I'd prefer not to become a permanent cafe-fueled zombie. What's one routine you've implemented that saved your sanity or your star rating? Share it in the comments. Here are your key takeaways. Checklists stop things slipping through the cracks. Automate messages, but keep them human. Quick daily checks prevent disasters. Organized inventory saves stress and cash. Set work boundaries to stay sane. Daily routines aren't glamorous, but they're the invisible scaffolding holding your business together. When you master these small, repeatable actions, you gain time, peace of mind, and guests who rave about how everything just worked.
Want to dive deeper into transforming your operations? The Launch Your First Vacation Rental course breaks this all down with real-life examples and templates to make your life easier. Don't forget to check it out and hit that subscribe button so you never miss an episode. And hey, here's wishing you a week free of guest emergencies and full of 5-star reviews. Because wouldn't it be nice if the only thing you had to fix was your own margarita?